Hi Bessie, welcome to my page. I have some Happy Mail. So if you like Happy Mail planner, cash stuffing, those type of things, this video just might be for you. So let's go on and get started. My granddaughter's here, so you might end up hearing her in the background. Let me know how you're doing in the comments with an emoji. Hopefully all is well with you and yours.
Let's start.
So now I got some stickers. I think I got some favorite challenges. Alright, so my first Happy Mail is from Planner Aesthetic, and I get the monthly subscription from her, and this is Planner Sticker Deco, and this is the February here, and it's frugally priced. And this is the sample here, so this must be the February sample, and here is the Deco. So sometimes you'll get one sheet, or then sometimes you'll get two sheets. But I have her information in the description, and then if you buy anything from her, if you want to save some coins, use my code Karen10. Alright, let's see what this is. I'm sure this is probably some planner stickers. Let me go ahead and pull this out the package. Yep. This order right here is from Paper Trail Plans. I was introduced to them last year when I won a giveaway.
Oh, I know.
Oh.
Hey.
So she recently had a sale, so I went and purchased some more stickers. Alright, and I did like her first order that I received last year. I like the quality of her stickers, and I like her designs. And she has different paper types that you can choose from. And then like in my initial order, I did like her foiling as well. So let's see what I ordered here. I know I got some Valentine's stuff in this order. Well, she had a real good deal on it when I got it. I'm gonna have to see if she has like a rewards program, and if I sign up and give you a discount code, I have that information in the description. I'm not sure if she has that, but I will check. So I know I got this. I think this might be a freebie, but I did end up getting this washi. I thought it was real pretty. And I'm thinking about doing this, using those like on some journaling pages. So I got 2 sheets of this. And that's like washi paper. Alright, this is Valentine's. And then when I saw these right here, I thought this was so cute and different. And I'm thinking about using this on like black paper. I don't know, we'll see. I'm not sure how it will look on there, but I'm gonna definitely test it out. So I got this color as well. It's something different. I haven't seen this before, but I'm gonna try it out. And so I did get the foiling for the months, because I got this for my black paper planning. Then I got the savings budget in foil, but I think I got it in black too. Yep. I got it in black too. So I got the foiling for black paper. And this is freebies here. This is a freebie because I didn't order this. I might have ordered this. I'm thinking I must have ordered that for $40, and then I got this custom word, my word of the year, Elevate. And that is it for that order. Okay, let's see what else I got. I got another package. Let's see what's in here. What is this? I think this is purely budgets. Let me get this out. So I ordered the beautiful, gorgeous, elegant planner clip from Purely Budgets, and I'm absolutely in awe of it. Let me get this out for you. Alright, so here it is. So I did end up ordering more than one because I do plan on doing a giveaway for this planner clip. Once I get a certain amount of members on this YouTube page, then I'll be doing a giveaway for this planner clip. I'm going to add some other items to it as well. So I do have 3 levels for my YouTube membership. But this is absolutely gorgeous. It's a must-have. It is just, I'm just saying, and for all the planner clips that I've purchased this year, this is absolutely the best I've seen. What I actually have, or what I actually own. So I'm excited about that. And then I did end up getting this Savers Challenge scratch-off card too. But if he end up adding some more planner clips to the shop, make sure you check it out. So these are some freebies. Here's a thank you card. Here I got a paper clip. Definitely can use those. And they include these cards in here too. And I love planner cards. Okay. Oh, this is a savings challenge. Oh. Alright. Hold on. Let me remove this vellum off of here so I can see this planner card. Alright. This is the planner card. And I do like this. And I probably would add this to my LV. Alright, so I have one more package left to open. Alright, so let me get a scissor so I can open this up because it's taped really, really well. Alright, and this is my first order from the Orly Mom. She just reopened. And so I wanted to show some support. And I am in my tulip phase at the moment. So I saw she had some challenges with some tulips on it. So I decided to get one of those. And then, let's see what she included. Alright, so I got this clip here. Okay. And then this pretty envelope. Let's see what's in the envelope. Let's see what she included. Alright. Let's see what we got here. Thank you. Alright, so information about her business. Oh, okay. Then we have a savings challenge right here. Alright. So let's go ahead and get into what I actually ordered from her shop. You put the cards back in here. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and put everything in this envelope until I end up organizing and placing it in my sticker storage. I can go ahead and place that there. Alright. So, got that out the way. Alright, let's see which challenge did I get. Alright, so, let me get this open. I was trying to decide on which challenge to get, because you have several challenges that had tulips on them. But, let me open this up, so you can see exactly what I got. So I end up getting this challenge here. And I'm going to add this to my pink fluted cash envelope system. That's a system where I have like the tulip theme. Cause this is the one where I had added the tulip dashboard, the linen dashboard that I got from Simply Tea. And then the challenges that I do out of my budget planner, which has the tulips on the cover, that will be utilized with this particular binder here. Alright, so let me go ahead and snap this in this binder here. I'm not gonna put that there. I guess I'll put it right here. Not sure when I'm gonna start this challenge, but I thought it'd be a great addition for it. And I might end up starting it next month. Not sure, but I love the design of it. So I can't wait to start when I'm able to get to it. Alright, let me put that back. And then I got this binder here. It was on sale, and I am a Discbound girl. So I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and get this because I don't know what I did with my light Discbound system. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this. And with the envelopes, they're big. I might end up making this into like a sticker storage album. Not sure. But that's it. If you got anything from any of these shops in the past couple of weeks, let me know what you got from them in the comments. And check out their shops. Their information will be in the description as well. Alright, Bestie, thank you so much for joining me in today's Happy Mail. Please subscribe if you're not. Thumbs up and engage with me. Alright. Toodles!